As you can see the soldiers escorting Hausa people to the mosque because of the riot. This is Ichie Ndoka Odeyenfe reporting for Umuchukwu Writers. As you can see, they are coming. Have you seen Hausa people after they have killed us in the north? After they have molested us in Omahia? Have you seen soldiers escorting them? Have you seen soldiers escorting them to mosque so that they won't be killed? But in our own case, soldiers want us killed. Have you seen? As you can see, these are soldiers escorting them. Have you seen? They don't want them to be killed, but in our case, they are killing us in Omahia. This is Ichie Ndoka reporting live. Have you seen? This is injustice. Is this one Nigeria that you want us to stay in? Have you seen? These are soldiers escorting Hausa people, Hausa Fulani people. They are killing us at Omahia and they are escorting these people. Have you seen? These are Hausa people. They are escorting them to the mosque.